Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be working on the Evo 10. As you know, it's been on axle stands for quite a long time at the back of the garage, and we finally got the wheels on it and got it out of the garage. So the first thing we're going to do after getting it out is to put it back on axle stands and take the wheels down to the wheel specialist in Swansea. Now the reason that the Evo sort of went at the back of the garage and sort of got forgotten about for a little while was because the money I'd allocated to getting those wheels and tyres sorted, basically I spent it on the Celica, and I don't regret my decision, but that's sort of why the delay has happened, and now we're back on this Evo. So let's get it on axle stands, take the wheels off, and then go down to the wheel specialist. So then, the tyres I'm going to be using on the Evo are these Yokohama AG08Rs, brand new set. I actually bought them a little while ago, but never got around to fitting them. So all I have to do now, put the wheels and the tyres in the back of the daily. But can you hear that rain? So this is going to be fun. So we've come down to the wheel specialist in Swansea, as you saw, and it's the last time we're going to see these wheels in as bad condition as they currently are. Look at the state of them. Absolutely terrible. But I'm pretty sure the wheel specialists are going to sort us out. If we have a look inside in a minute at some of the wheels they've worked on previously, they look absolutely amazing. And apparently these wheels are actually not that bad compared to what they see. So let's take a look inside and see what sort of styles they can do. Now I'm in the Swansea branch, and it's actually 5-star rated on Google. So it's a no-brainer for me. 5 out of 5 stars, it says it all. But if you're too far away from Swansea, they have branches all over the country. I would recommend going to the wheel specialist. They are, well, they are the specialists when it comes to wheels. Now, looking at these designs, there's quite a few designs that really, capture my attention. We got things such as the OEM sort of styles here, sort of the factory look. But then when you look up here as well, we've got some special effects, such as sort of a glitter effect on that powder coat there. Glitter on this one as well. This one is really striking. Look at that one. Wow. That looks really good. But I'm not sure how it would look on a set of OEM Evo 10 wheels, but the colours that are sort of catching my eye, I've got a vision of where I want to go long term with the car, and these sort of colours here are catching my eye. Sort of a matte black or a semi-matte, semi-gloss black. They're the ones that are really capturing my attention. They're called the wheel specialists, not the powder coating specialists. So if you have wheels that are not powder coated or partially powder coated, well, they can still help you out. Here we can see the wall of diamond cut wheels and some special effects in the middle as well. So, you know, they can do anything really. Diamond cutting is one of the harder things to do as far as I understand it when it comes to repairing wheels, because they've got to get that finish absolutely perfect. And as you can see, it looks really good. It looks great actually. Here they got different colours on the same wheel. And one that really stood out to me earlier actually was this one here, which has got sort of a hammerite crinkle effect on it. That looks great, that does. It looks really smart, but I'm not sure it would suit my particular wheels on my particular car. This is interesting design. Sort of thing I'd imagine would be on an old Volkswagen camper van. But yeah, I don't know. Looks pretty wacky. And then coming around here again, we've got some more designs. And even here, they've got diamond cut and also two separate colours on the same wheel. And from my understanding, that's quite a difficult thing to do, but as you can see, they can do it here. Here we have the tyres as well, and they're going to fit them. It's a full service really. They fit the tyres, they fit new valves, new caps, everything. So these are some wheels that have been freshly refurbished. They're actually cooling down now, as you can see on these racks, but look at the quality on that. Absolutely stunning, that is. And they look like brand new. Actually, they look better than brand new. The shine on that is unbelievable in person. And even the barrel of the drum, whatever you call it, in the back, impeccable. No sign of corrosion. It's been done to a really good standard. We're going to leave the wheels in the good care of the wheel specialist for now, and they're actually going to acid dip them and remove the tyres. And we will be down. I've asked them, and they've been very kind to actually let us film the process so we can see what the sort of process they go through is when they refurb the wheels and then actually powder coat them and fit the tyres. So that'll be in a couple of days, but yeah, as you can see, they're in very capable hands, and I can't wait. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.